Today I want to show you how to change or edit your TikTok profile picture. Step number one, on your phone, go and tap where you can see the TikTok icon. Tap it there like this. Good. So if you have data connection, already you can see you are already in the TikTok, and you can view as many content as they are for people as they are posting. So to edit, just look at the bottom of your screen. You will see there are 5 icons. The first one is home, the second one is discover, the other one is a plus where you add a video, the other one is inbox, and the fifth one is me. So our main aim now, it is to change the profile picture. So click the fifth icon that is written me, the right at the corner like that. Good. So ensure you have the data connection so that you'll be able to follow this process. Now this is where it will direct you to this home page. So after now you are in the home page, click or tap edit profile like that. Good. After now tapping there, it takes you to this home page where you have this way you're told change photo. You can change your name, you can change your username, and you can also edit the bio. So for you now to change the photo, like you can see my account now doesn't have the photo. So to change the photo, click or tap on that camera, tap on that camera like that. You have the options, take the photo, select from gallery, view photo, or cancel. So for now, let us select from the gallery. So if you click that, it will take you to your phone contacts, not contact, but phone, the photos that are in your phone, so that you can select one. So now let me select this one. Tap on the photo that you want to change or to display. Then look at the